Are you torn between Rustdesk and VNC? Let's break it down for you. In this video, we'll compare Rustdesk and VNC. Both are remote desktop tools that let you connect to other computers. They help you access files, run applications, and support others from afar. First, let's talk about Rustdesk. This tool is open source and focuses on security. It offers end-to-end encryption, which keeps your data safe. Rustdesk is user-friendly and doesn't require complex setup. You can easily connect to any device with just a few clicks. Now, let's look at VNC. VNC is a classic remote desktop solution. It's widely used and supports many operating systems. VNC allows for screen sharing and remote control. While it's reliable, it may not be as secure as Rustdesk since it doesn't always use encryption by default. So, what are the key differences? Rustdesk prioritizes security and ease of use. VNC is more established but can be less secure unless you add extra layers. Rustdesk is great for those who want a simple, safe option. VNC is ideal for users who need a flexible, widely supported tool. When it comes to features, Rustdesk offers a modern interface and built-in file transfer. VNC provides robust support for various platforms but may need additional configuration for security. In terms of pricing, Rustdesk is free since it's open source. VNC has different versions, some of which may require payment for advanced features. In conclusion, if you want security and simplicity, go with Rustdesk. If you need a well known tool with broad support, VNC is a solid choice. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.